Hanmanlu Gangaram's livelihood depends on these fields. A farmer, he can earn a profit of $100 at the end of a season if his produce survives. But this time around, he isn't earning anything.
Look at my crops. They are all ruined.
The delayed rainfall, he tells me, has completely destroyed his crops. And with 5 mouths to feed, he's feeling desperate.
This drought has caused a huge loss for me. If the government doesn't help me soon, I'll have no choice but to commit suicide.
Many share Hanmanlu's plight in the southern Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Suicides among debt-ridden farmers are common here, who are dependent on monsoon rains for their water supply. When the heart of India's drought-affected regions, and although the landscape here looks lush and green, the reality is that none of these crops are of any use to the farmers here. The rains simply came too late to this part of the country, but the workers here are still trying to salvage whatever little they can. Shamla's fields were once fertile, but now they bring her only sadness. Her husband Chandar owed over $5,000 in debts and was hoping for heavy rains this season. 3 days ago, she tells me, he hung himself here. Ironically, the rains came a day after he died.
What use are these rains to me? They've come too late. If they had come a month earlier, my husband would never have taken his own life.
Critics say the situation could have been avoided.
The monsoon or the drought has nothing to do with farmers committing suicide. The government hasn't provided any subsidies to the farmers, nor has it provided any new schemes to help them. That's why they're killing themselves.
This is one of the government's short-term measures to cope with the crisis, a food for work program. Almost all the workers here are farmers whose crops have failed.
All my crops dried up. There's no work in the village, and I have to do this to feed myself and my family.
Feeding her children is also a worry for Shamala, who scrapes together their only meal of the day.
My husband is dead. I have no money to repay his debts. How will I ever feed my children?
The drought has meant that the very farmers who fed the nation once are now ironically starving. Prerna Suri, Al Jazeera, in Madnoor village, Andhra Pradesh.